At the annual sailing regatta, the sun shone bright over the glistening waters. Among the spirited competitors were Alex and Jamie, both passionate sailors with dreams of victory. Their boats started off in separate lanes, but a sudden storm forced them to seek refuge together on a small island. Stranded, they quickly discovered a shared sense of humor and a love for adventure. As they waited for help, they shared stories of their lives, hopes, and fears. Laughter echoed amid the crashing waves, and an undeniable connection began to blossom. The storm passed, but the magic lingered. They teamed up for the remaining races, their synergy on the water translating to a bond off it. Each race brought them closer, as they learned to trust one another. Under the stars, after a day of competition, they shared a heartfelt conversation that deepened their connection. The moment they embraced, they knew they had found something special. In the heart of the regatta, amidst the competition, they experienced love that transcended the waves. A beautiful reminder that sometimes the best victories come from unexpected encounters on the journey of life.